Good evening, friends. Today, on behalf of the Holy Sanctuary Ministry, I am going to introduce the Holy Sanctuary Ministry, and I will not take too much time. Only within a few minutes I will complete it. As you know that I am Nasreen Akhtar and I am an evangelist, and I am also chairperson of the Holy Sanctuary Ministry. And we have been in Canada from 2018, and God brought us in this country with a purpose. Holy Sanctuary Ministry was founded on October 14, 2021, emerging from the organizations previously known as Holy City Ministry, and the decisions to transition into the new entity was driven by our evolving mission and vision aimed at offering a more holistic approach to spiritual and mental well-being within the Saskatoon community. Holy Sanctuary Ministry is dedicated to advancing the Christian faith, providing spiritual nourishment, and offering faith-based counseling to foster holistic well-being within the Saskatoon community. We strive to support and uplift all individuals, fostering an environment of love, unity, and resilience. Our vision is to be a beacon of hope, spiritual enrichment, and psychological support for the residents of Saskatoon. We aim to empower our community through faith and counseling, creating a spiritually vibrant and mentally healthy community that values unity, understanding, and mutual respect. Our key objectives are to promote religious understanding by offering regular prayers, engaging seminars, and insightful lectures. We strive to deepen the understanding of our faith among our community members. These activities will not only foster spiritual growth, but also encourage unity and fellowship among the residents of Saskatoon. We are partners with Reconciliation Resources, New Covenant Church, and we are grateful for their support and guidance. On behalf of the Holy Sanctuary Ministries team members and Brother Edwin, I would like to special thank to the Pastor Akin and his wife, Pastor Dory and her husband, Pastor Darrell, Youth Pastor, Pastor Titi, she is here, and especially youth of the New Covenant Church and its leader Abraham Dio, and youth members. And at the end, I would like to invite to all of you, come and join us. We need your emotional support and prayers to gain all these objectives. God bless you all. Thank you.